Welcome to Earnings Central. In this video, we'll break down Apogee Enterprises' second quarter fiscal year 2025 earnings call in under 4 minutes. We'll cover the key financials and major takeaways, so you can stay informed without spending hours listening to the full call. Let's get started. Apogee reported a 3% year-over-year decrease in net sales for Q2. Despite this decline, the company saw impressive margin expansion, with adjusted operating margin improving by 110 basis points to 12.6%. This marks the second consecutive quarter with margins above 12%. Adjusted diluted earnings per share grew by 6% to $1.44, matching the record set in the first quarter. The architectural glass segment continued to outperform expectations, with operating margin improving by 490 basis points to a record 23.4%. This was primarily driven by strong pricing and favorable product mix. The architectural services segment also showed strength, with net sales growing 11% and adjusted operating margin improving by 250 basis points to 6.5%. Cash flow from operations was particularly strong this quarter, coming in at $59 million, up 42% compared to the same period last year. This brings the year-to-date cash from operations to $64 million, in line with the strong performance seen in the first half of the previous fiscal year. Now, let's move on to the big news from this earnings call: Apogee's acquisition of UW Solutions. This strategic move is expected to complement Apogee's existing portfolio and expand its offerings into new segments. UW Solutions operates in 3 main product lines: HD printable materials, industrial flooring, and engineered coatings. The acquisition is anticipated to close in Apogee's fiscal third quarter. For fiscal year 2026, UW Solutions is expected to contribute approximately $100 million in revenue with an adjusted EBITDA margin of about 20%. The deal is projected to be accretive to Apogee's adjusted diluted EPS in fiscal 2026. Looking ahead, Apogee has increased its full-year outlook for adjusted diluted EPS to a range of $4.90 to $5.20, reflecting the strong performance in the second quarter. The company continues to expect net sales to decline 4% to 7% for the full fiscal year, primarily due to strategic shifts in product offerings and market conditions. In conclusion, Apogee's Q2 results demonstrate the company's ability to drive profitability and cash flow even in the face of revenue challenges. The acquisition of UW Solutions positions Apogee for future growth and diversification. While some headwinds persist in certain end markets, the company's strategic initiatives and operational improvements continue to yield positive results. That wraps up our recap of Apogee Enterprises' Q2 2025 earnings call. If you found this recap helpful and want to stay on top of more earnings reports from other companies, don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more quick and easy breakdowns coming your way. So hit that subscribe button and never miss an update from Earnings Central.